Hey everyone, it's Michael here at Home Health Success Academy, and you're watching another one of our videos at our Home Health Marketing Mistakes video series. In this video, we're talking about resourcefulness and resources, okay? So what do I mean by that, right? I'm plain and simple as this. Is you guys probably heard of Amazon, right? Okay, you heard of Amazon. You should have heard of Amazon by now, right? So when they first started in the book selling business, because that was their primary job, primary business, a lot of people says, well, they're not going to make it. People want to see the books before they buy it, right? This is what a lot of the big bookstores were saying. And they didn't really have the resources to compete against the big boys, Borders, Barnes and Nobles, and those type of companies. But they did it, right? They didn't have enough resources compared to their competition, but they were very resourceful on how to be able to manage certain things. It goes the same exact way in marketing our home health, industry, right? So we try to give you guys all these ideas and what you should have for your company. But I will also tell you guys is that, when I first started, we didn't have everything out there. There was no such thing as Home Health Success Academy, providing training resources on how to be able to market your company. There wasn't, really blogs out there that helped you learn certain things and what's going to be able to make your company even better. So, these were things that we had to learn as we go. And that's why we did this Home Health Marketing Mistakes video series. And for the reason that we wanted to be able to share with you guys the ideas that we created, that we've done, that we tried, the resourcefulness that we were doing. And we then took that resourcefulness ideas and created a resource for you, right? A place where you can get the information now to make things easier for you guys. And it's all up to you guys what you guys want to do with the information we give you guys. But you guys have to understand that if you don't need everything fully to be able to create a nice marketing program. The number one thing you need to do is to be able to understand that you must do action. You must create action. You must do something. You must make a move in order to be able to be successful in this industry. So, if you can provide all these things, then it's going to make it even better for your organization. So a lot of people will say, a lot of people will create these interjections. Well, I can't market out there because my website is not good yet. I need to finish that. Or they're going to say, you know what? I don't want to market out there because we don't have pens to give away. I don't want to market out there because I don't have time. I don't want to market out there because our brochures need some work on it. I don't want to be able to market right now because there's a typo in our brochure. All these different inner objections, right? But you have to understand that you must become resourceful, all right? And not worried about the resources or what you have in front of you. Of course, it's going to make it easier for you if you have full resources and then being a resourceful person, all right? So, I just want to be able to give you guys an idea that, a lot of companies came from the bottom because they were very resourceful with even a lack of resources. You're going to see Amazon have done that, right? So Borders bookstores closed down, for example, right? Because they couldn't hang in. That was one business that went out the door. Then you start looking at Uber, right? When they first started, they didn't even have their own cars, but taxi services had their cars, and now all of a sudden Uber is up there now. Okay, so what are other businesses in your area other than home health, our industry? Have you seen people who did not have everything but created action and became resourceful to be able to create success? And you guys probably also have seen a lot of companies out there in our industry who just started last year and has more patients and has a higher census than your agency. So what did they do that you guys didn't do? Right? So I want you guys to start paying attention and learning from other people. And that's what we're here for, is to provide you guys a resource so that you guys can actually learn certain things that's going to make you guys stand out. So hope this video helped you guys. Once again, it's Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Visit us, 10xpatientreferrals.com. Also, always know, Home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.